Pacific Oral Health Society is addressing the problem of no care for oral care. That's the best way to word it. I feel like this is the first salvo in this region, at least to try to say, hey, there's a lot of people being missed here. And by the busyness you can see today's clinic, I mean, there's a lot of people in need. And we're just scratching the surface. Oral health is a hidden crisis. This part of the body is completely forgotten by our medical system, and most people don't think about it. I mean, it's the #1 entry point for disease and infection, and medical does not care. They do not cover it. I mean, who can give back? It's only us. I mean, we're the only ones holding the torch to try to say this part is important. It does serve a purpose, and it is part of your overall health. So I'm very passionate about that. Like, I think we need to focus more on the mouth. I think the government needs to be more into it. I think everyone just has to put a little bit of thought into it instead of no thought at all. Because right now there's zero thought about it. So I feel like we're a torch just pushing forward for oral health. I'm upset about it. I'm pissed off. These people that have an abscess, there's an infection inches from their brain, and the government or our medical current system does not do anything for that. We need some sort of entry-level system that can at least, okay, everyone gets some minimal help. Decay, infection, overall health. And if it falls in that category, it happens to be in the mouth, I mean, you can have someone, if you've got something on your foot and it needs to be lanced, the government pays for that. If you've got something dripping out of your mouth full of pus, sorry, you're gonna have to go find someone who and charge a lot of money. Like, it's not fair. They gotta right the ship somehow. And I'm not sure how it's gonna do it because there's no money for it. So this is very important. And I hope it does get out there and people start thinking about it. I don't want them to think a lot about it. I just want them to think a little bit more about it and try to give it a little more respect because it deserves to be addressed and looked at and taken care of.